Hey guys, I am incredibly lucky to have this awesome workshop that I get to work in every day that's in my house because I have this really nice condo. And one aspect of it that I really like the most is my Dremel station. And I kind of want to give you guys a tour of it, how I created it, how it works, because it's really nice. It helps keep everything pretty neat, since foam dust can be a huge mess otherwise. So let's go ahead and just dive on into it. So kind of starting with the base of how I built this Dremel station, I actually got like a potting bench from Amazon that had a metal tabletop, and then I added acrylic sheets and made sure to caulk all of the edges to put around the booth to basically create an enclosed space. And then just to protect everything on the shelves, I draped a plastic drop cloth and stapled it since it's a wooden potting bench. And then to have some light, I added like just a garage lamp or a turtle tank lamp, and I put a sheet over it so that way there isn't like a bunch of dust getting into like all of the lighting stuff. And then the metal table really makes it easy to clean off, like just wipe all the dust off. I always wear a rubber work apron while I'm working, so I just kind of hang it off the edge of the acrylic sheet because it's sturdy enough to hold it. There really is great storage with this, so like I keep tools and all the bits and everything on the shelving, and then I put two little command hooks on the side for my goggles and my respirator, which is really handy. I also keep an anti-fatigue mat right in front of it so dust doesn't get on the floor, and so it's comfortable to be standing there for hours. And right next to my station is my shop vac, so that way it's easy to like have it while I'm sanding or to clean up afterwards. Like I said, it's great storage, so I also have my belt sander, I keep all my sandpaper, and then all of my Dremel bits, but I can go through that in another video. There was 2 shelves on this. I've always thought about getting more organizers though, especially for the sandpaper, because I do store all of that in my Dremel station as well. I do have more upgrades planned for this station, so hopefully I'll get to show you guys more about it later.